Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving into some challenging and MDCAT MCQs to sharpen your biology knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is following is a common cause of ulcer. Where B bacterial fungal infection. Correct option B bacterial infection. Next MCQs is which part of the digestive system absorb the majority of vitamins and minerals? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Mouth. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which enzyme is responsible for the digestion of fats in the small intestine? A. Amylase. B. Lipase. C. Pepsin. D. Trypsin. So the correct option is B. Next MCQ is which condition is characterized by the backflow of stomach acid into the esophagus? A. Gastritis. B. Gastroesophageal reflux disease. C. Peptic ulcer. D. Diverticulosis. So the correct option is B. The next excuse is which part of the digestive system primarily absorbs water and electrolytes? A. Stomach. B. Small intestine. C. Large intestine. D. Rectum. So the correct option is large intestine. The next MCQ is which vitamin is synthesized by bacteria in the large intestine? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin D, and D. Vitamin K. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is what is the role of hydrochloric acid in the stomach? A. Neutralizes stomach acid. B. Emulsifies fat. C. Activates pepsin into pepsin. And D. Break down carbohydrates. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which organ stores glycogen and release glucose when needed? A. Stomach. B. Pancreas. C. Liver. D. Gallbladder. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is which type of muscle is responsible for peristalsis in the digestive tract? A. Skeletal muscle. B. Cardiac muscle. C. Smooth muscle. D. Voluntary muscle. So the correct option is B. C. The next MCQ is which nutrient is primarily absorbed in the large intestine? A. Carbohydrate. B. Protein. C. Water. D. Fat. So the correct option is water. Thanks for joining me. I hope these NMDCAT MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying astute for more practice question. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.